Hey guys, so we have a really cool car in a bay. This is a repeat customer with a 2019 Lamborghini Huracan. We're protecting the whole vehicle with Suntek PPF, of course. And then we're also going to do some ceramic coating on the brand new wheels. Wait till you see these things. We went with the Lamborghini Evo wheels to give it a really aggressive look. These are the new Lamborghini Evo wheels, factory spec wheels. We're getting them all cleaned up, getting them prepped for ceramic coating to keep them clean from brake dust. Wow guys, this thing turned out great. 2019 Lamborghini Huracan that we did a PPF all the way around to protect it, put the new Evo wheels on it. What do you guys think?